Hello everybody, I'm Bradie from Sparrow Quilt Company. I am unbelievably excited to show you this machine today. It has been so highly anticipated around here. We cannot believe that it's finally here. It is the Eversewn Sparrow 30. It is such a beautiful little machine. Do you want to see it up close? All right, let's pull it right out of the box. First thing you're going to see on top is your little stitch chart with all the different stitches that are available on this machine, and it comes with a really great manual. So if you are having any troubles whatsoever, you just get that manual out and I am certain you will be just fine with any issues or any new little things that you need to learn. Let's turn it on its side and pull it out carefully. Wonderful thing about this machine is it comes with its own little extension table, and that is a really great thing, especially if you're going to be doing any quilting or larger projects. You can see it comes really carefully packed and nicely insulated with that styrofoam. Let's get this out of here. We won't need the foot or the cord at the moment, but oh wow, look at that, a little stitch out already on the machine. We might have been in here already. So you can see this beautiful machine is just a nice light pink with those rose gold accents, and it is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so now I just want to go over the features of this gorgeous little machine with you. You can see that it has a nice little LCD display. It comes with 7 different presser feet, so you're going to have everything you need for all the different jobs you want to do. It comes with a really great little extension table, and that just extends your surface around the machine that can support your different projects. It's really great for quilting, or if you're working on a larger garment or something that needs extra support, you'll find that really helpful. It has a drop-in bobbin, and the stitch width can go all the way up to 7 millimeters, which is really nice and big. And we have done a little stitch out here of Sparrow Quilt Co. in the alphabet, so you can see just how wide those letters really are. It is nice and big. We got 15 different needle positions, anywhere from 0.3 all the way up to 4.5. It comes with 310 different stitches. 32 of those are utility. We've got 84 decorative, and then there's 2 full alphabets. One is a block alphabet, the second is a cursive alphabet, and of course that comes with any little brackets or commas or periods or that sort of thing that you may need for your label making or whatever you are using the alphabets for. It comes with a nice auto threader, which is good for those aging eyes or, you know, whatever. It's just nice to have the ability to thread your needle nice and easily. It comes with, or the operation keys that are on the machine are also really great. One thing that really surprised me about this machine, because of its price range, this usually comes on a much more expensive machine, but we have got the, where is she? The thread cutter. So that is a really nice bonus for you to have on this price point of machine. Below the thread cutter, we've got our start and stop button. So if you want to sew with both hands and not have to, actually what it is you don't have to use your foot pedal. So you're going to use that, and then you can just focus all your attention on your sewing. Maybe you're free motion quilting, or you're doing some really fine work and you really need to focus your energy on that. You can just use the stop start button instead of using your presser foot. Now along the top there, you've got your reverse button, so that is just going to sew backwards for as long as you're holding down the button. We have a lock stitch, so that is going to stitch in place to secure the beginning or ending of your stitch path. And then of course we've got our needle up down position. If you start with the needle down, you'll end with the needle down, and it kind of helps you keep your place when you're stitching. Here you have your adjustable speed, so if you're teaching your daughter or your granddaughter or a wee one to sew, you can turn that right down. When you get back to your normal pace, you can turn it right back up again. So let's go ahead and look at all the buttons over on this side of the machine. When we are wanting to change the department of our stitches, we want to go from utility to decorative or alphabets or whatnot, we're going to hit the mode button. And whatever mode we're in is going to be lit up with that little green light. So utility are more of your functional stitches. The decorative stitches are going to be all those pretty ones here on the stitching card. And just so you can see it, that is all 310 of your stitches are shown there on the thread card. Now, let's see what else we've got. So if you want to change to a different department, you're just going to hit the mode, and that will bring you into that other department, and then you're going to select your stitches with the numbered buttons. Here we have got our stitch length. We can put that higher, we can put that lower. Here is your stitch width, again, higher or lower. If you want to program any stitches in, like I did here where I did a Sparrow Quilt Co., you are just going to use the edit, memory, and clear function to program in whatever stitches you are after. If you want to use a twin needle and do some fancy stitching with the twin needle, you are going to need to enable that function with the twin needle button. Now, what else have we got to do here? Yes, there's a few more buttons down here at the bottom. This one is for your decorative stitches. Say you want to mirror it. You have done a nice row of one stitch and you want to mirror it. This will do that for you. And this one here is going to elongate your stitches. So it's going to take that fancy stitch and spread it out over a longer distance. Up here above the presser foot, you can use a coin or a small screwdriver and you can adjust this little dial here. It will adjust the pressure foot pressure. So let's say you are quilting an extra thick quilt. You are going to lessen the pressure of your presser foot so that your fabric can move easily underneath the presser foot. And we also have the option back here to drop and raise our feed dogs, which is also helpful when we're doing our free motion quilting. But aside from that, I think we have covered everything on this beautiful little Eversewn 30 machine. We now have them in stock here at Sparrow Quilt Co. So if you wanted to come by and have a look, now's the time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check it out at sparrowquiltco.com.